Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products available. Today, we are showcasing the best mum backer that will elevate your next craft project, the 3 inches paper disc paper backer cardboard for homecoming mums. If you're planning on creating a beautiful homecoming mum, then this backer is an absolute must-have. Made from high-quality 4-ply railroad board, these backers are not only sturdy but also incredibly thick, ensuring that your mums stay in perfect shape. It's perfect for high school homecoming mums, baby shower mums, or any decorative mum project you have in mind. This pack includes 6 3 inches round paper backers, which means you have enough to make 2 mums. The 3 inches size is ideal for attaching mum flowers that are between 3 and 4 inches in diameter, providing a perfect match depending on your ribbon structure. These backers are designed to hold up well under pressure, giving you a solid base for all your decorations. What makes this product stand out is the versatility it offers. It can be used for a range of events, from homecoming to baby showers and even craft projects at school. You can easily add your ribbons, flowers, and other embellishments to create a stunning mum. Its sturdy build ensures that even with added decorations, your mum stays intact, adding a professional touch to your project. No matter if you're a seasoned pro at making mums or a beginner, this paper disc backer makes the process smoother. It's a simple and effective base that doesn't take away from the beauty of the final product but instead enhances it. The 3 inches size is perfectly sized for a standard homecoming mum, and with the pack containing 6 backers, you'll have enough for multiple projects. Whether you're crafting one or several, this product provides all the support you need to get the job done right. So, if you're looking for a reliable, sturdy, and well-made backer for your next mum creation, look no further. The 3 inches paper disc paper backer cardboard is a fantastic option that will ensure your mums are both beautiful and durable. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we hope you found this review helpful in your next crafting adventure.